Welcome back to the channel. In 2025, businesses need to turn customer feedback into actionable insights. Qualtrics CX helps companies to do exactly that. Let's break it down. Qualtrics CX collects feedback across multiple channels and uses AI-driven analytics to identify trends, issues, and opportunities. You can track customer satisfaction, predict churn, and create strategies to improve loyalty and engagement. Its platform integrates with CRM and business tools, helping teams act quickly and make data-driven decisions to enhance the overall customer experience. Qualtrics CX helps businesses listen, understand, and turn feedback into meaningful improvements. If you want to improve customer loyalty and experience in 2025, Qualtrics CX gives you insight, control, and actionable feedback. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews.